Yeah. Hello friends, today we are going to start with the journal sums. Some journalize the following transactions in the books of Om for the August 2014. It is in the books of Om, so on both the pages we should write Om. They have given you the year, that is 2014, that is the month is August. Okay, first transaction, bought goods for cash. Underline goods, cash. Goods is real, comes in debit, cash real goes out credit. My first entry will be goods account debit to cash account. First transaction will be goods account debit to cash account. The amount is 500. Being goods bought for cash. Bought for cash. Date is August 1. Second, August 2, bought goods from Sanjay on credit. Whenever there is a credit, you should remember person. Underline Sanjay and goods. When goods is there, goods real comes in debit. Sanjay personal giver credit. My entry will be, first you have to write down the date, August 2nd, second transaction, goods account debit 700 to Sanjay account 700, being goods bought from Sanjay. Next transaction, bought goods from Indira for cash. Underline goods and cash. Goods real comes in debit, cash real goes out credit. My entry comes to goods account debit 900 to cash account 900. Goods account debit 900 to cash account 900. Date August 3. Narration, being goods purchased for cash. Being goods bought for cash. Fourth, sold goods for cash. Goods and cash. Goods real goes out credit, cash real comes in debit. My entry comes to cash account debit 1000 to goods account 1000. Date first, August 4. Entry, cash account debit 1000 to goods account credit 1000. Narration B. Goods sold for cash. Next, goods sold to Menka on credit. Just now I have said whenever there is a credit you have to remember person. Underline Menka and goods. Goods real credit, Menka personal debit. My entry will be Menka account debit 1200 to goods account 1200. Menka account debit 1200 to goods account 1200. B. Goods sold to Menka. Next one, sold goods to Sonia for cash. Whenever there is a cash transaction, don't remember person. Underline goods and cash. Goods real credit, cash real comes in debit. My entry comes to cash account debit 1400 to goods account 1400. B. Goods sold for cash. Next transaction, 7th, paid cash to Sanjay. Paid cash to Sanjay. Underline cash and Sanjay. Cash real goes out credit. Sanjay personal receiver debit. My entry will be Sanjay account debit 700 to cash account 700. That is next page. August 7th, 7th transaction. Sanjay account debit. Sanjay account debit. The amount it is given, that is 900. Sorry, it's 700 to cash account 700. B. Cash paid to Sanjay. 8th transaction, receive cash from Menka. Cash real comes in debit. Menka personal giver credit. My entry will be cash account debit 1200 to Menka account 1200. That is August 8. Cash account debit 1200 to main ka account 1200 being cash received from main ka. Next one, paid salary to typist. If you are paying a salary, you are going to pay the salary in cash. Write down in a bracket cash. Underline salary and cash. Salary is nominal, its expense debit. Cash is a real, goes out credit. My entry comes to salary account debit to cash account 2000. Salary account debit 2000 to cash account 2000. Narration being salary paid. Now last transaction, withdrawn cash from bank. When I am saying withdrawn cash from bank, cash will be coming in and bank is a personal, he is a giver. So underline cash and bank. Cash real comes in debit, bank is a personal, giver credit. My entry comes to, write down the date first. My entry comes to cash account debit, that is 1000 to bank account 1000. Narration being withdrawn cash from bank. Now we have completed with the sum. After passing the journal entries, you have to take the total. Another word for total is casting, that is total. Debit and credit both are going to be same. You have to take the total of debit and credit, which comes to 10,600. Which comes to 10,600. This is a way how you have to solve that sums, which is related to the journal entries.